show you how to change door handle and a lock barrel in a Camec door. Right, first things you need to know is how to get one off. Hello everyone, in this episode we'll show you how to change outer lock if it's broken, and even the door barrel, how to get all of this apart and how to put it all back on. First things first, the tools you will need: pliers, Phillips screwdriver, flat screwdriver, a drill if you've got one. First thing to do is to pull it apart. One screw at the top, one screw at the bottom, push the little button in, push the lock down, and there's one screw behind the lock. Once you have gotten that out, you don't need to take the inner handle off. Just take the outer door handle off. If you do take the inner off, sometimes you'll have to hold this up to get it to go back into the slots that it came out of. Like that. Right, so now we've gotten this out, to show you how to replace a lock. Now I'm going to show you how to change broken door lock handle to a new one. New ones, when you buy them, will come with a little spring. Right, first of all, pressure on here, push that out. Take the broken handle, get rid of it. Get your new handle and the new spring, slides in there. Just click it onto the first little ridge, hold it with your thumb, put it in there, so it's just on that right there. Push it in, hold it, grab your lock barrel, slide straight in, just like that. What we're going to do is change the barrel out. So the same thing, put it in the lock position, take the key out. Give a wiggle there, it comes out. All the way to the left, and as you can see it doesn't go all the way, so you need a pair of pliers to give it a little bit more. This will come off. Turn this, and there will be two little pins that line up in the back in that direction. Apply a little bit of pressure to the little slide just there, push it, barrel comes out. Grab your new barrel, it's got two little ridges on the back and this on the front, so you push that to the front, slide the barrel in, done. This piece slides just there to that, put it down, turn the key, done. Right. And then lock just slides back in as normal. After replacing the lock, handle, make sure it all works, the spring's in the correct place, put it back into the lock position. You might have to lift the handle out slightly, put it back in, and put the screws back in. I won't put that one in yet. Right. Now for this to work while the door's open, this must be pressed. So if you press it in and hold it, you can check to make sure it's actually working correctly. Thanks for watching.